guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. My name is Sarisha and on this channel I upload videos twice a week on Tuesdays and Saturdays. I also upload bonus video in between that. So I'm just showing you the overview of what the living room is currently looking like. I'm going to be decorating, cleaning and redecorating for Christmas 2023. I am extremely excited about this one. This is part one because I ordered some stuff. They haven't arrived yet, so I'm going to add those to the living room once they arrive. They're mostly for the tree, and then I'll include the tree decorated in that part 2 video. So I hope you guys are excited. I'm also going to be rearranging some furniture in the space. You guys find it very motivated and get some ideas of what you guys can do for the holiday season. I loved how everything turned out, and I would love to hear in the comment section what you guys think. I picked this up at Walmart. I love it. It's supposed to be animated, but I cannot find anything in my household to plug it in. Like, the plug is really fine and small. Do you guys have any idea where I can find a plug for it or something that I can attach to it to get it to go? Because I cannot. I've never seen a plug that small before. I got this snow blanket from Dollar Tree, and this garland is from Ross. It was not working in this space, so I had to change it out and ended up using it somewhere else. This garland I purchased on Amazon. I have everything linked in my Amazon storefront, linked in my bio. And this I got from Ross, I believe last year. The lantern I got from Ross this year. And the mini lantern that you will see later on in the video, I also picked that up off Amazon. This vintage Merry Christmas sign I picked up on Amazon that just says Merry Christmas, and I love the cool vintage vibes of it. I saw others like red and other stuff, but this one I just really love the vintage look of it. And the stocking holders I got off Amazon last year. The Christmas countdown clock is from Ross. I picked that up last year. The thankful sign is from Hobby Lobby. I picked that up earlier this year. And then of course the garden again is from Ross. I picked up this Merry Christmas banner off Amazon. It has the Grinch at the bottom, but you can't see it because of how its position is hiding behind the sofa, but it has the Grinch on it. And I did not originally buy it for this space, but I ended up putting it here, and it's okay, it's fine where it's at. I love it. Last year I had something different behind the wall, but this fits in the space. You can decorate your home and still make it look merry and festive without breaking the bank, because a lot of these stuff are really affordable. You can reuse them and style them in different areas. Because I rearrange majority of my home decor that I had last year, instead of going out and purchasing new stuff, I put them in different spaces, and it just gives the room a fresh new look instead of going out and buying something else. So you can rearrange the stuff that you already have and get a new look. This garland is from Amazon, and then this fine tiny one is a Dollar Tree garland that I cut into, and then I'm just going to wrap it around the metal frames. I picked up this Grinch sign off Amazon. I love it. You have the option to hang it on the wall also, and you can turn the lights on or off. So I ordered some more stuff for the TV set right here, and those haven't yet arrived. And here's an overview of what it looks like with the lights on, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like with the lights off. It looks so magical and so beautiful. It feels so cozy. And as immediately after I was done and I relaxed, I finished watching my movie, but then it was a different movie that I started, and it was in the middle of that movie. But I absolutely love it. So here's what it looks like without the lights on in the dark. I love it. It is extremely gorgeous. What do you guys think? Would you change anything or do anything different, or do you like it just the same? Stay tuned for part 2, and then I have a 2 extreme cleaning video that I already filmed. Tons of cleaning and decorating video, and I'll be doing a shop with me also because I didn't do any last week, and I do owe you guys that. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I need to decorate the tree, and I have some more Christmas decoration coming in that I ordered online, but they haven't yet arrived. So when they do, I will finish part 2 of decorating in the living room, and I also have the bathroom to decorate. But I'm gonna end this video here, guys. This took me over 3 hours. I am tired. I go to bed like this. It's after 6. I'm gonna get my daughter ready for school, wake her up and get her ready for school, and then get over there started out. I'm gonna show you what it's looking like, so stay tuned for very motivating clean with me, because that's gonna be my next video, and then I will resume the decorating video. By then the items should arrive here, so I will have them ready for you guys. I love everything turned out. I wanted to order more stuff, but I am so glad I did not order any unnecessary stuff. And I got the ribbons for the cabinet, so I also need to add those to the cabinet doors, but I'll do that when I'm decorating the tree, and maybe include the bathroom with it. Anyway guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Everything that I got will be linked in the description box. Majority of them are from Amazon, so I will have them linked in my Amazon storefront in the description box. Until next time guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Please do consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Mwah.